welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Charity. I'm a teacher and also a graphic designer. So today I'm going to teach you how to use this PowerPoint inside the classroom. So this file can be used on any computer with PowerPoint. Here, as you can see, there are 14 slides in this PowerPoint. So the first slide is the title. The second, third, fourth, and the fifth slide, up to the fifth slide, is all about how to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. On the sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth slide, it's all about the history of St. Patrick's Day. And from the 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, up to 14th slide, it's all about St. Patrick's Day symbols. So before we start, we need to make sure of a few things. So your computer must have speakers. So if you are working on a laptop, so they are probably built into your system. So make sure that the sound is turned on here. So to start your slideshow, on the slideshow tab here, select play from start or beginning. Now you can hear the sound effects, and also you can see the animations. If you want to go to the next slide, just click this button right here, the bottom right part. So each slide of this PowerPoint presentation, they have different sound effects and different animations too. So if you want to go to the next slide, just click this button right here again. You can see here the animated leprechaun and also the people celebrating. They're looking for the leprechauns. So let's go back. So if you're going to use this PowerPoint, the texts are really easier to read than noted jotted on a blackboard. And you will also have greater flexibility in presenting your lessons, which can be used repeatedly, and you can also modify as needed to different classes. So I'll just going to show you some sample slides, for example the first 3 slides, and I can also show you some slides right here. The sample of the history of St. Patrick's Day. So just a tip, never simply read off the PowerPoint slides because it becomes boring and students tend to quit listening if you do. So merely use the slides as a tool for what you say. This PowerPoint is a great way to focus on the St. Patrick's Day holiday. Please let me know your feedback in the description box below. And if you want to use this PowerPoint, just click on the link that I provided below. Please don't forget to connect with me on Facebook and subscribe for more PowerPoint videos. I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.